this exercise is going to represent nationally the statistics of Hispanics and academic success. Okay, so keep that in mind. Nationally, the statistics for Hispanic academic success.
So these are all the students at one particular high school. Let's just imagine that this is your high school, okay? And these are all the Latino students that go to that high school. So just multiply it times all the students in your school. I know there's a small percentage of Latinos, or maybe half. Some of you guys go to schools with a lot of Latinos. But this represents all the Latinos at your school, okay? So, out of all of these students who are currently enrolled at your high school, 20%, the Latino high school dropout rate is 20%. So 24 students, please exit the stage. So Daniel will help you guys figure that out. Resist the urge to be silly right now. This is not a time to be silly. Resist the urge to be silly. Okay, do me a favor, guys. Can you guys scoot up a little bit, please? Scoot up. Take 3 or 4 steps forward, everyone. Okay, so out of all the students that were on stage, these are the only students that are left. All the students that walked off stage will or have already dropped out, 20%. Now, all of these students, fortunately, will slide by and graduate. So these are the students that will graduate. Of these Latino students that graduate, of these that are still left on stage, 14%, less than 15%, will enroll in higher education. Will enroll, not graduate, just will go to a 2-year or 4-year college. So I need everybody except the last 7 to stay on stage. So everybody here, thank you for being here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You 2 stay here. You guys go. 2, 4, you 3 stay. You guys go. We needed some boys to represent, but this is actually about right. Have a seat. Scoot this way, please. Scoot this way. Front and center. This way. Shoulder to shoulder. Elbow to elbow. Scoot this way, ladies. This is actually about right. 2 boys, and I think 2 is high. It's usually just 1 boy representing, but you stay here. And 5 girls. These, out of all the students that were here at the beginning, this is the number that go to a 2-year or 4-year college. This is the number 14% enroll in higher education. Now, out of all of these students at your high school, which if you go across the country, it's a very small number compared to how many actually go to college. It's a tiny, tiny number. Of all the students that enroll in higher education, 64% do not receive any kind of degree whatsoever. 64%. So I need everyone except for 1 boy and 2 girls to leave. So the last boy and these 2 girls stay. See you later. So out of all the students that go to college, 64% never get a degree. They try to go, they go for 6 months, they go for a year, and they are unable to get their certificate or their degree. 12% receive a certificate, like a typewriting certificate or a automobile certificate or an X-ray technician certificate. It's not a degree, it's a certificate that you go for 6 months to get or a year to get. So 12.8% receive a degree, so, a certificate or a 2-year degree. So can we have you leave? Yeah. Sorry, see ya. See ya. All right. So only 23% of all the students that get to college and stay in college earn a bachelor's degree. These 2 right here. These are the last 2. And out of all of the students that get a bachelor's degree, See you, buddy. Take care. See ya. 1.9%. 1.9. Less than 2% go on and get a graduate degree, a master's degree or a PhD. So this is our master's degree right now. So is it starting to sink in? What's going on here? Out of all the students that started off, those were all Latino students. Most of them drop, a lot of them drop out, 20% drop out. Very few of them try to go to college. And of those that get into college, most of them do not get a degree. They go for a few semesters and they drop out. So, are we ready for the one?
Yeah.